A-Team, make some noise! Welcome to our 7th anniversary, A-Team! Pwede ba tayo sumigaw ng happy anniversary in 3, 2, 1?
Anniversary, Malimang!
Well, thank you so much. You guys want to greet them? One by one.
Arneta, kamusta kayo lahat? Mag-ingat! Siguro magpakilala muna tayo kasi 7th anniversary natin.
Pwede.
Gawin natin yung original na ginagawa natin. I'm your pure boy, Jack!
Patay tayo dyan.
Simulan mo na. Bilang leader, ikaw ang magli-lead. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. I'm your emotional leader, Seju. Let's go!
Ay! Sejun! Tong-to siya, oh. Cringe ba? Cringe?
Next.
Seju.
Sejun!
Grabe, no? 7 years.
Next.
Next.
Sejun. Sejun, kamusta ka na? Long time na. Get in the zone, break. Ako nga wala.
Hey, come on, Josh! Come on!
Tagal? Sabihin ko ba talaga yun?
Yeah!
Gagawin niyo lahat?
Ginawa na niya eh.
Gagawin mo rin?
Josh,
Ano, no?
Josh,
Gagawin
malamigan
niyo
ka?
lahat? Wala akong choice. Gagawin ko kasi ginawa niyo eh. Sige. I'm the most charismatic member, Josh!
Panis!
Ito matagal ko nang hindi to ginagawa eh. What is up, Arneta? It's your heavenly voice. Stell, nice to meet you. Nakakamiss naman. Next, Ken.
Yeah.
Come on! Nahiya na siya.
Hello, everyone. I'm the sexiest main dancer.
Hindi na masabi.
Let's be dancing. Let's go.
Nasa yung sample, nasa yung sexy dance.
Hey, bakit ganun?
May ginagawa pa siya dati, yung gano'n. Tsaka tumbling. Next na.
Kaya,
18! I'm your pure boy.
kulang yan dyan. May ginagawa yan.
Get in the zone! Break! Hello everyone, we are
SB19!
Let's hear that.
And welcome to our 7th year anniversary concert.
Pugi!
Hey. Pero wala
syempre-
ng energy guys ah.
Oo nga eh. Parang masyado ata silang nabusog sa solos natin. Pero meron pang dalawa. Tama? Abangan yun mamaya.
Ken and Pablo.
Ha?
Binusog mo raw.
Bakit nabusog ka ba?
Hindi naman. Katahimikan. Hindi, kasi narinig kasi namin kanina, nahiba ba yung kaliskis mo?
Kaliskis, yun na nga, skill.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun ang maganda. Meron pa mamaya si Pablo at si Ken. No, tama?
Yes. Abangan nyo.
Pero syempre, hindi lang yun yung sineselebrate natin. Tonight, we are also celebrating this milestone with the one and only Francis Libiran. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir Francis.
Yep.
Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, 18, we're very nervous for tonight kasi this is a different collaboration. Like mixing yung fashion and yung SB19 performances. Pero I'm sure, hindi nyo makakalimutan tong gabing to. we are very honored to present this different kind of collaboration, this kind of concert tonight. And we are hoping na excited kayo makita pa ang lahat. Tama ba, AJ?
Yeah!
Do you guys want more?
Yeah!
Okay, at dahil dyan, I think everyone's ready. Please welcome Maridance, W3, and Coach J!
Okay, that's the introduction. Oh my God. Very, 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 very nostalgic yung introduction, diba? It seems like they've taken us back to when they first introduced themselves, like 7 years ago. Ang cute lang. Ang cute lang. Dun ko sila nakilala. Oh my God. I hope, yun lang muna yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi mag-upload ako ng reaction ko sa lahat mga nangyayari. And mga medyo clips-clips lang. Yun naman, hindi naman talaga yun sobrang, yung talagang show, yung pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Pero yung ano lang, yung a little bit of their introduction lang kasi ang cute! Ang cute! I hope you appreciate this. Don't bash me. This is just a little gift for you guys na hindi nakanood ng live stream at wala sa Araneta. That's it! Let me enjoy. Because right now, W3 is dancing. Nagbabalay sila. Let's go.